G'day. What'd you get for Christmas? We got an electric gate opener. It's pretty cool. I just installed it. It's solar powered, so it runs off a little solar panel just up there. And there's two 12-volt batteries in there that are what do you call it? Linked together. So now it's running at 24 volts, and that's the little control board and everything there. And that's the motor that drives everything. And then over on the other side, there's a cable just there, runs up across the top. And then over on this side here, it's got a lock. So it's an electronic lock, and then when you just hit the button, it unlocks and swings open. So yeah, that's what we got for Christmas. That was for both me and Jody. So we don't have to open the gate because we're lazy. But yeah, pretty cool, eh? See you later.